Hello everyone, my name is Lim Jung Hong. In today's video, I want to show you about my final year project, that is IoT Smart Energy Meter. My matrix number is 08DJK23F1012, and my supervisor is Mrs. Noraniza Bini Sarbani. The problem statement of this project is traditional meters lack real-time monitoring of energy usage. Manual readings cause billing errors and inefficiency. Users have low awareness of their electricity consumption and owe remote access to monitor or control power usage. Limited data analysis for tracking and reducing energy waste. Now, we use the calibrate voltage coding to calibrate the ZMPD101B voltage sensor module. And that's how we get the correct readings. Voila! Next, we use a calibrate current coding to calibrate ACS 712 5A module. And that's how we get the correct readings. Voila!
Okay, now I will show you how to use my smart energy meter. Okay, first we will plug in the 5 volt for supply all the component inside. Okay. Next, we plug in the socket. Next, we plug in this for calculating multiple loads. Okay. Next, we open hotspot and we try to connect to our smart energy meter. Okay. Now we connect a load inside. Okay. Now the switch is on, but the relay is controlling the switch. So we turn on, then it will light up. Then if you want to turn off, we can just switch.